1995. Growing up, same street, you, me, my ride or die. All the years it would grow us apart, yeah. Moved away, but you're still in my heart, yeah. Call you up, how you been? Can we play a rewind? Yeah, those other guys are true. They don't care, no, like I do. I've been waiting on you.
Hello my angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know, my name is Tania. Today I'm gonna create this glam makeup look which I'm wearing right now. So if you want to know how I create this look, please keep watching. Well, I already have moisturized and prepped my skin. Now it's time for foundation, and I mixed two foundations here. One is Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 312 and another one is MAC Studio Fix Fluid foundation in the shade NC37. And the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 312 is slightly darker for my skin tone, so I mixed it with the MAC foundation in the shade NC37 to make it lighter so that it matches my skin tone. And now I'm using the damp makeup sponge to make the application smoother. And now I'm using the eyebrow pencil from Maybelline. This is in the shade dark brown, and I'm trying to draw some thin lines so that my brows look fuller. And I'm filling in the blanks to make my brows look bushy and thick. And now I'm applying the concealer on my eyelids. This concealer is from Maybelline in the shade medium, and this concealer is very famous. Like, I have seen so many YouTubers liking this product, and this is a good option at really cheap price. And I'm using the damp makeup sponge to blend the concealer on my eyelid. And now I'm using a brush to apply the concealer on the areas near my brows. And I'm doing this just to clean up my brows so that it looks well defined and sharper. You guys can try this trick to clean up the edges of your brows. It really helps to enhance your brows. And I'm just blending the concealer well so that my skin doesn't look cakey. And now I'm applying the concealer, the same concealer, under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my forehead and on my chin. And now I'm blending the concealer just to brighten up the skin, and I'm using the same damp makeup sponge to blend the concealer. I'm just blending it well to make everything look smooth and nice. And now I'm also applying a little bit of concealer near my mouth. And now I'm using a brush to apply the powder just to mattify the skin. This powder is from Makeup Revolution. This is the banana powder from Makeup Revolution. And I'm applying the powder especially where I used a concealer, so that my face looks fresh and matte. And I'm just trying to blend the powder well. Now I'm contouring my face, and I'm using a brown shade to contour my face. And right now I'm using the contouring powder on my cheekbones. And I'm just blending it. Also, I'm applying the contouring powder on the temple. I'm just trying to blend it well so that it looks well blended. Contouring is really important, guys. Like after applying the foundation and concealer, your face looks really flat. So just to add some dimension, contouring is an important part of the makeup. And I'm doing the same on another side of my face. And right now I'm contouring my nose, and I'm using the same brown shade to contour my nose so that it looks slimmer. Well, I'm blending the contouring powder on my nose, and now again I'm applying the banana powder under my cheekbones so that the contouring looks sharper and well defined, and I'm applying the powder all over my face. And now it's time for the eye makeup, and just creating the base for the eye makeup, and I'm applying a shade that is close to my skin tone, and I'm applying it on my eyelids. And now I'm applying a deep green eyeshadow on my crease. It doesn't really look like deep green right now, but after building up the color, you can see that it's actually deep green. And right now I'm applying the shade on my eyelid. I'm just trying to intensify the color. And I'm just blending it well. To make sure it looks nice on my eye. And I'm just blending. And I'm adding more product to it just to make it intense. And right now I'm doing the same on my another eye. I'm applying the same deep green shade on my another eye, and I'm just blending it. Right now I'm just trying to make sure it looks really intense. And I'm just blending it well. I'm just trying to make both of my eyes similar. And right now I'm gonna apply the MAC Fix Plus to make the glitter eyeshadows intense. And right now I'm applying a golden glittery shade in the middle of my eye, and I'm just blending the shade. I'm doing the same on my another eye. I'm applying the same golden glittery shade, and now I'm blending it so that the eye makeup looks well blended and smooth. And right now I'm applying the liquid eyeliner. I'm just drawing a thin line at first, and then I'm trying to draw the wing. I'm not putting so much pressure while drawing the wing. You have to be very careful while doing it. I'm just lightly drawing the wing so that it doesn't get messy. So this is how I draw the winged eyeliner. And right now I'm highlighting the inner corners of my eyes, and I'm using the Pro Illuminate highlighter by Makeup Revolution. And right now I'm highlighting the brow bones, and I'm using the same highlighter by Makeup Revolution just to make the makeup look bright and sparkly. I'm doing this, and I'm using a tiny brush to highlight these areas. Well, now I'm using the kohl pencil on my upper waterline and I'm using the same kohl pencil on my lower waterline as well, just to add some drama to my eye makeup. And now I'm applying a brown shade on my lower lash line, and I'm just building up the color so that it looks intense. And right now I'm blending the shade on my lower lash line so that it gives me a smoky effect. And right now I'm coating my eyelashes with the mascara, and this mascara is from Maybelline. This is the Lash Sensational Mascara from Maybelline, and I'm applying the mascara on my lower lash line as well. And right now I'm applying the blush on the apples of my cheeks, and this blush is from Revlon in the shade Classy Coral. I love how this blush makes my cheeks rosy. I really like it, and I'm just blending it well. I already have applied the falsies, and right now I'm applying the highlighter. This is the Pro Illuminate highlighter from Makeup Revolution, and I'm applying the highlighter on my cheekbones, on the temples of my head, on my forehead a little bit, and I'm just trying to blend the highlighter into my skin. And also I'm using the highlighter on the bridge of my nose and on the tip of my nose, on my chin a little bit, and also on my cupid's bow. Now you can see my face is looking so glowy and dewy. Now I'm applying the lipstick from Faces Canada in the shade Caramel and Sugar, and this is really a nice creamy lipstick. And now I'm highlighting my collarbones to make this look glamorous. So this is the final look.
Since 1995, growing up same street, you, me, my ride or die. All the years it would grow us apart, yeah. Moved away, but you're still in my heart, yeah. Call you up, how you been? Can we play and rewind? Yeah, those other guys are true. They don't care, no, like I do. I've been waiting on you. Oh, oh. I've been waiting on you for so long, and it's killing me.
So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Stay safe and stay at your own home. I'll see you soon guys in my next video. Bye bye, take care.